Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can create a blog through Squarespace, so let's get right into it. Now, you can go ahead and choose a template for a blog once you're actually creating the site. However, I already have this site created, so I'm going to show you guys how you can add a blog segment to any of your sites, irrespective of what they actually are. Now, to create a blog, you just need to add a blog page, which is very easily done. To do so, you need to go into website and click on pages, and once you're here, you're going to click on the plus either on linked or not linked, depending on what you want. I'll click it on linked, and then go to collections and click blog. As you can see, you can share stories, thoughts, and ideas through your blog, so just click that, and then you get this page right here. Here you can select a template for your blog depending on what you want to do. I'll select this first one, and then that's going to add a blog page over here. I'll just name it test blog for the purposes of this tutorial. Click enter, and it's going to create the new page. And as you can see, you have your blog overview and your blog content. If you click on blog content, that's going to show you these placeholder sort of pages or posts that have been made by Squarespace itself. So just select them all and delete them if you don't want them. And you can also edit them in the top left if you want, but it doesn't really matter. And to create a new blog post, just click on this plus over here. It's going to create a new draft, and you're going to need to enter a post title, for example, test. And you can write the text for a blog such as this, test, and you can also add media or other things on your blog. Then you can just click save, and you can click publish if you want that to not be a draft anymore. And once you publish it, just click done, and as you can see, the post has been tested or placed. And that is basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.